Welcome back to the channel. Well, in this video today, we're preparing some turkey neck with bean, aka Ghetto Oxtail. Yes. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful plate of food, just keep on watching. Okay guys, first step is to clean and wash your turkey neck. I already cleaned up mine and wash it with lime and vinegar. Now I'm just going to prep some first season that I have at hand. And that's onion, bell pepper, ginger, garlic, and thyme. Yes, using what I have available. I'm just going to cut those and add them to it. So then we're going to add some fresh season. Those that I'll be using, I'll put them in the description box. But feel free to use those of your choice. The main key here is to marinate your meat well, okay? So just keep on watching guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
time for cooking. We're going to add a bit of oil to our pot, allow that to heat up. We're going to burn or caramelize some sugar as you see me add it here. Please, when doing this, stay close, don't walk away. This thing burns very fast. And after it comes to a full caramelized color that we need, we're just going to add our marinated meat, stir well. Cover your pot and allow it to sweat while catching color, and prep your water, your boiling water, so that will help them cook your meat faster. Yes, so here we're adding our turkey neck, seasoning and all. Yes, and we're just going to stir that. So if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Please put your bell on also, so you will get notified when I have a new upload. And to my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for all the love and support. So keep on watching, guys, and we'll come back further on in the video.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Okay, now that our meat is tender enough, as you see, yes, we're going to add some additional fresh seasoning and carrots. I'm going to use some tomato, bell peppers, onion, and my carrot wheels that I cut. For the seasoned bowl, I'm just going to rinse with some more boiling water and add that to it. I have broad beans. I prep those off camera. Yes, I'm going to add that to it. I'm going to check taste and add extra season if needed. Add some tomato paste, allow that to cook down a little. Then around 5 minutes after, then I'll add my ketchup.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why, hiding by the baby.
Now this is ready. Taste on point, tenderness on point, yes. So this is my way of preparing turkey neck with bean. We call it Ghetto Oxtail, yes. So here I have my dinner. I served with some rice and peas, fresh salad, fried plantain, steamed pop chow, and a piece of corn. Yes, and this was a winner dinner. So thank you guys for watching. Please drop me a comment. And for those coming for the first time, please subscribe and put your bell on so you become an official part of the family. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.